today's video. Best self-cleaning cat litter box for multiple cats.
There are a lot of products on the market, and without decent research, one can mistakenly go for the wrong product. That's why we've taken a look at the products available and used a comprehensive rating system to help you choose the right product. When we compared the products, we took into account the price, quality, durability, performance, and more. So, if you choose from our list, you can be sure that you buy a great product. And make sure to check the product links down below in the description to see their price and find out more information. So, let's get started.
Best self-cleaning cat litter box for multiple cats.
Starting off our list at number 5.
Litter Robot, the automatic self-cleaning litter box that really works. Once your cat exits, a timer counts down, allowing litter to clump before a cleaning cycle begins. As the globe slowly rotates, the patented sifting process separates the clumps from the clean litter, depositing them into a carbon-filtered drawer below. The globe returns to the home position, leaving a clean bed of litter for the next use. Empty the waste drawer when indicated and add litter as needed. It's that simple. So say hello to the Litter Robot and say goodbye to scooping litter forever.
These are our ratings for this product. At number 4. These are our ratings for this product. At number 3. These are our ratings for this product. At number 2 in the list. this product. At number 1. These are our ratings for this product.
Best self-cleaning cat litter box for multiple cats.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions about the products, leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.